welcome back to the channel. Guess what? We're doing a European third episode of installing the Citreal car radio or car stereo in a cheap Wrangler 2020. Why is that? Well, I was driving around and realized something's missing, so I wanted to make a quick update video. This time I will not record a disassemble and assemble of the radio itself. I'll record just the main parts which are important for the microphone, an external microphone I want to install, as well as I want to install one of those little antenna angles for the GPS. No, wait. Yeah, it's for the 4G, for the LTE antenna extension cable, because it's just going straight out and I had a little resistance to push it back in. I think that might wiggle around and destroy the whole antenna cable, so I want to make sure that there's an angle, a 90-degree angle, which avoids that and mitigates, hopefully, the wear of this antenna cable. So those are the two things I want to install today. That's why I'm doing this update. As mentioned, there's no disassemble or assemble plan to do that. Therefore, I have a couple videos up there. I will link them up here, like the first installation of this whole radio, so that's what you can refer to. But let's just start. The first thing we'll put in is the right angle adapter for the antenna. Pretty straightforward. I'll record from here on. And that's where you can see it. It looks already a little damaged, so I'll take it off and put a right angle in there. Hope you can see it a little bit here. For the microphone cable, we wrote it exactly the same almost, let's say similar, like we did with the GPS antenna. Video should be up here as well. So it means I will take off on the side the handle and we'll basically have the same cable routing like I had with the antenna cables. And I'll show you where I want to place the microphone, and the cable should be long enough. I measured that out already, so let me show you where it will be. The cable will come out here again. We'll just plug into the mic back in here. Hope you can see it. Dedicated microphone spot. Dedicated for a little microphone like this one. So I can plug it in. Done. That's how it should be at the end. Take it out now. But instead of having the built-in microphone, which was pretty bad, I want to have it... Hi! I want to have the microphone mounted somewhere here, which can just clip into the plastic. And that means also I can talk. No, then we'll see. I can talk, but also a driver, passenger can talk as well. So it means the cable goes back in here, tucked in, whoop, all the way to the side. We'll take out this little piece. We'll make our way down here in the cable channel behind this thing, all the way down through here, and then going through here. And all the way back to the radio up there. So it should come out somewhere here again. That's what we're doing now. Alright, we're making progress. It's a rather quick thing, besides the fact when I'm filming it takes longer. Weird. But I'm going to try to show you what I'm working on. Up here, that's where the microphone is seated. Cable goes in here, tucked in, all the way in. There's enough space and comes out here in the scalpel channel. Now we'll go all the way down, as I mentioned already to you. I will use this time white zip tie, and I'll show you how it looks like. There we are. Alright, good. Hey, you're still there. Nice. I know, it's a very short video this time. Anyway, I got the microphone installed behind the mirror. I also got the angle installed, the antenna angle behind the radio. I'll put everything back in. That's my last task, and then just testing it and using it. That's basically all. So you don't have to watch me the last couple minutes because you saw already how to assemble the radio and assemble everything back together. If not, there's another video or the same what I was talking about the whole time already. That's way better now. It's not as pretty straightforward this time because we've done this practice already the third time now. I hope we're done now. I'm really crossing fingers, and after this video, that's when the review should happen. Thanks for watching, and please feel free to subscribe if you want to see how the video turns out. What's the performance of it? How good is it? How's the software? how's the hardware, how's the microphone, how's the GPS, everything else. I want to tell you in depth what it is and also what the cost at the end. Was it worth it? I'll let you know. Thanks for watching. Tschüss!